Well, we have almost made it to the end of the semester. One more thing to do, and I wanted to talk to y'all about that. Thank you for staying engaged, for working hard to get through the semester. I know this hasn't been easy, and this is not the easiest class for this to happen in, but thank you for all your hard work and for keeping up with everything. And you will be glad when you're finished with this class. You will be glad that you made it through. But our last assignment is a fairly simple assignment. What I want to talk to you about what we're doing on this assignment. I have posted another video under week 15 called Setting Up Criterion Account, I think is what it's called. It will show you how to set up an account on this website called Criterion, because this is what we use for the final exam. We have all the students in 1302 in whatever section do this same kind of assignment so that we can collect the data that we need at the end of your freshman composition sequence to demonstrate that what we have set out as our student learning outcomes, we've met. And this Criterion website allows us to do that and to evaluate student writing objectively. Anyway, that's the rationale behind it. So you're going to have to set up an account. There is a video there that walks you through it. You shouldn't have any problem. If you have a problem, let me know. Please go set that up early in the week so that if you have any trouble, we can figure out what's going on. Once you've logged in, created your account and logged in, there will be a prompt. Your prompt is, something about self-image. I can't remember the title of it, but it's about self-image. What you're going to do is you're going to write essentially a 5-paragraph essay. So go back to high school and remember the 5-paragraph essay: introduction with a thesis, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. And you are going to write a paper that responds to that prompt, 5-paragraph essay format. Okay. So that's our goal. You need to spend some time. I want you to review what we have learned in an entire year of freshman Comp 1 and Comp 2, and that is the value of planning and proofreading. So spend some time planning your essay, and then spend some time, once you've written it, proofreading it. So don't just sit down and start typing. That's not what we want you to do on this essay. It's not what we've been trying to teach you to do as a writer. So please model your best writing process skills that you've developed in the last year. There is something there that can help you to plan the essay. There's like a planning worksheet on that website. And then when you're ready to write your paper, you click Start Draft, and then there's a text box. Please read the instructions above the text box. One option. So this is not a timed essay, and it is not an essay that has to all be done on the final exam day. You can spend this week working on it, okay? You can spend time planning. You can write it and come back to it a few days later and look at it. But you can either type it in that text box, or you can type it in Word, copy and paste it into the text box. But make sure you follow the instructions for formatting that it gives you at the top. So for instance, you're going to separate your paragraph. Each paragraph will be separated with a blank line. So at the end of a paragraph, hit enter twice, so it leaves a blank line between each paragraph. That's the way that it will read paragraphs. Okay? So your final exam will be due on the final exam day, whatever your day is. I have 2 classes. I have a Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 1. I have a Tuesday, Thursday at 12:30 or 11. I don't remember what time we met. We met at 11, I believe. Time really doesn't have much meaning anymore. So you have an assigned final exam time. It is on your syllabus, it is on your calendar, it is on Canvas under assignments with your final exam. That's when it's due, okay? So you've got over a week to work on that. It should not take you that long. It is not a terribly demanding essay. It does not require research. So if you have any questions, let me know.